Hi, this is Chipiwa Chibengwa, the CEO of Tourism Business Council of South Africa. The Tourism Leadership Conference is now open for registration. This Tourism Leadership Conference is going to happen on the 6th to the 8th of September. This year it's going to happen at Sun City, and it is a conference not to be missed. We will have international speakers that will be focusing on various topics, including tourism recovery and beyond recovery, sustainable tourism, issues around youth and women in tourism, issues around communities that are around attractions. And of course, we're going to be focusing on ensuring that transformation agenda in our sector is prioritized, and there's a lot of young people that are put into workspaces within the sector. So please register to come to the conference. It's going to be limited seats. We're looking at having 400 tourism leaders to participate. Last year we had over 600. It was oversubscribed. So we are asking everyone who is a leader within the space of tourism to register to come to this conference. As I've said, 6th to 8th of September this year in Sun City. See you there.